severity based on this table. This is table defined by the ADNO, by the ages. We will straightway take this rule set. This is a predefined rule set based on the severity based on ADNOC standard. So guys, any question on so far now? Okay. Okay, so now guys, we are coming back in the sheet. This has been agreed as per the terms of reference. The information from this LR management rationalization will go to the MADB. In MADB has got many attributes, many columns. From here it will go there, and all the information will be filled as per the MADB of ADNO. Okay, so guys, this column A, B, C, D, E, F, and G is only the information, which is already available. This already we have pre-filled it so that we save time. And this dark orange you can say, or dark purple you can say, this what we are going to review during the session to prioritize the alarm as per the system. So I will take you through. We will take one alarm, and then we will qualify whether this alarm is justified or not justified. And for justification, we will fill this information. And if any one of this is all of them is no, then this is not valid alarm. So we can think to delete after the workshop. We will not do any justification whether to keep it or not to keep it. If you want to delete it, you have to go for the MOC process, and then you can delete it. That discussion should not take place in this workshop. If any one of this is yes, that means this is valid. So say for example, if this is no and this is no, so this is not valid. So we will select not valid, and our job of the team, this team job is to qualify whether this is yes or no. If all of them are no, then we will select not valid. We will not justify here. After the workshop, you can again discuss internally whether to make it journal or no. This you can decide through the MOC process. Okay, if in this column you get one S, let's say this is S, and it is not taken credit in the job, it has not been taken credit in SIL, then we will go for L, Y, valid. And after that, we have to follow the remaining section. We have to identify the causes of error. We will identify the consequence of any action. We will qualify